Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Imran Mehboob and you are watching YouTube channel Professional Excel Trainer. Viewers, this is the second video of a series of financial functions in Microsoft Excel. The function we are going to study is db function. The purpose of db function is to return the depreciation of an asset for a specified period using the fixed declining balance method. It is to be noted that fixed declining balance method computes depreciation at a fixed rate. The syntax of db function is as follows: equal sign db open parenthesis cost. Cost means the initial cost of an asset, comma salvage. Salvage means the value at the end of depreciation, sometimes called the salvage value of the asset, comma life. The number of periods over which the asset is being depreciated, sometimes called the useful life of the asset, comma period. The period to which you want to calculate the depreciation. Period must use the same units as life, comma month. This is optional. Month means number of months in a year. If it is not specified, it is assumed to be 12. After a brief introduction of syntax, now I will show the implementation of db function with the help of easy and simple example. Here we have the data includes initial cost of $1 million, the salvage value is $1 lakh, and the lifetime of asset is 5 years. Now it is required to calculate depreciation for each year by using db function. Equal sign db open parenthesis initial cost, comma salvage value, comma lifetime of asset, comma. Here we have to enter the period, as we assume that the lifetime of asset is 5 years. So this is the first year, we will enter period as 1. There is no need to enter month because we are assuming that we are calculating the depreciation for the whole year. Close parenthesis, enter. Here we have the depreciation for the first year, repeating the same function in all 5 years. The only difference will be the period. Let's see in second year, db open parenthesis initial cost, salvage value, lifetime. This is the second year, so the period will be given as 2. Close, enter. The same process will be repeated for the following 3 years. I repeat the same formula for the rest of the 3 years, and here we have the total depreciation for the 5 years. I hope this will help you understand the db function.